Once launched, this dental appliance received an explosive response and quickly became popular. Let's take a look at how practical it is. It can perfectly restore your teeth with a secure fit that won't loosen. Made from patented silicone material, it suits all types of oral cavities and can easily bite into even hard fruits. You can brush your teeth thoroughly. It's very easy to use. Even beginners can wear it effortlessly and have white teeth in just 10 seconds. Whether you have missing teeth or have lost all your teeth, wearing this product solves all problems. Eating becomes easier than breathing. We offer a 14-day free trial. And if the product doesn't suit your oral cavity, you'll receive a full refund. Limited quantities available. Click the link to purchase. Don't miss out.